Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be building a Lego set. Before I tell you what Lego set we're building, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm also miss another video. Like this video. So let's go ahead and pick a Lego set. And I'm thinking let's go a little bit small because I'm trying to get this channel monetized as fast as we can. Once it gets monetized, I'm going to start building big stuff like this Polaroid, the Walt Disney tribute camera. So this Lego set is brand new. It is the burger truck. I like to call it the burger food truck, but just two words. This is an extremely cool Lego set. Super excited to build it. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, so this Lego set is for ages 5 and up. There is 194 pieces. It has a ton of detail. And the set number is 60404. This Lego set again has a ton of detail in the back. Looks amazing. The burger comes off the truck for deliveries and stuff like that. It also comes with 3 mini characters. No, two. It comes with 2 mini characters. Got sidetracked by that one. So it does come with 2. This is a Lego City set, so if you want to get one, it is brand new. It is not out of stock yet, so let's get started. Alright, so I have completely finished all the books. This is an amazing set. Super cool, a ton of detail in it. This comes with this little car right there. It comes with this little burger thing. Let's see how it goes on. Remember the pictures? And it goes on like that. Like that. Like that? Yeah? Yeah, there we go. There's the set. I don't think it looks this cool on camera. Let me just check that out. That is awesome. It also comes with 2 minifigures. Pretty cool. And it comes with this little burger that fell on the floor. Super cool. Comes with a big slice of cheese. This Lego set is really cool. Thing comes off. There's some fire on the sides to make it look really cool. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. It would be pretty cool if you could add like some license plate stickers on them. I was a little bit disappointed when it didn't come with that, but I think from how the box makes it look, that is pretty cool. This is the end of the video, so please subscribe, hit the bell notification on also listen to the video and like this video. Answer in the comments what you think of this Lego set, and if you have any other video ideas we should start. So please subscribe, hit the bell notification on also listen to the video and like this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace!